I'm going to read aloud the poem below. The Apocalypse by Dr. Elizabeth Mitchell. This is the apocalypse. A daffodil has poked its head up from the dirt and opened sunny arms to bluer skies. Yet I am filled with dark and anxious dread as theaters close, as travel ends, and grocery stores display their empty rows, where toilet paper, liquid bleach, and bags of flour stood in upright ranks. My stomach twists and fingers shake as I prepare to work the battleground. The place I've always loved and felt at home is now a field of droplets sprayed across the room or lurking on a handle or a sink to find their way inside our trusting hands or mouths or eyes. The ones that touch you when you're sick, speak soothing words, and seek the answer to your pain. This is the apocalypse, as spring begins again and brightly colored flowers deploy in my backyard. The neighbors walk their dogs and march along the quiet streets. I stretch my purple gloves on steady hands. I tie my yellow gown behind my back, my hair inside a blue bouffant. My mouth and nose and eyes are still and calm inside their waiting shields. This is the apocalypse.